We're out here searching for mahi. I'm gonna make these things go crazy right now. On pet. Oh, wow. Let's see if we can actually feed one at the boat. Look at that big one. Check that big one out. Come on, where's the big one? No, that one, no. Oh, that's the big one. That's the big one. Let me. That's the big one. Real. Tight. Real. Check this out. He's going nuts. Look at him. Look at this. Oh! Here he is, right here, ready? Oh, teach that thing a lesson. Oh, here they all go! Can I show you guys a little trick? Fillet the fish with the fish milk. A little bit of that. That's all fish milk. Oh yeah. And hit it one more time with Danos. Just maybe a little bit of popping.
Let's catch them all. Woo! With Catch 'em All Fishing with Zak Catchem.
Look at this fish.
Catch 'em all.
Guys, that's a Miami skyline right there. We're out here searching for mahi, and we're gonna find some today. Look at our gang behind us. We got Joey Slam, Catchem Bay, and Papa Slam back there. What's up, baby? We're checking the weed lines. We're actually visually looking down into the crystal clear blue water. Check this water out. It's beautiful. There's viz for days, and we're looking down here below the sargassum for the mahi before we start casting towards them. Joey, throw a bait. Joey, throw a bait. Throw a handful of bait. I'm gonna try to hook one up. Oh yeah.
Oh,
She just ate it.
yes.
Come on. Here he is. Little dinks. So now we gotta hook one up to get the school coming. Come on, follow me. Here. Get a handful of these guys. The little tiny schoolies. I'm just gonna throw them out there. Get them going. I like to throw more, but I want you guys to see this. So now I have the big one, right? Go ahead and put that right through his nose. And that's that. Check this out, come on. Oh, here, Joey found him. You want?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Look at Joey's fish.
Right there.
Oh look, there's one right here, check it out.
Yay. Look at that.
Now our goal is to catch as many as we can. They should stick around the boat. Look, he's gonna eat. Look, he's eating. He's attacking this push. He's straight up and down. Oh, right at it.
This is so sick.
Oh, check him out. Yeah, honestly, look. Oh! Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hurt this guy's tail.
All right, he's hooked up too. Close it. Set the hook, Dad.
Is that live?
Close it. Set the hook. Real tight.
Yeah, this is alive. They're finicky. This is 40 pounds, so we might have to go lower.
Keep it tight.
Ow.
Just like that.
Okay, here we go. Look.
Oh, Joey.
Look. He's eating. Oh, he's eating. You just ate it? Just ate it. We're gonna let him eat, and then we're gonna teach that thing a lesson. Oh yeah, 40. There we go. Look at this thing. Oh, here they all go. Oh, what a jump! Oh my God.
Nice little.
Okay, so I got this one on 40.
You got that one on 40?
Yeah, I got this one on 40 if you want to.
That open?
Let's see. Now what we gotta do, you can only keep a mahi if it's 18 inches. So
measure this one?
I'm pretty sure this is 18. Look at them all. As long as you keep one mahi hooked up, the school tries to stay with you. Yeah, so check it out. Look at them all. Wow, look, we found them, boys. We found them. Here they come. Check this out.
This guy's 20 all day long.
He's 20?
Yeah, he's 20 all
Okay,
day
so
long.
that means these are all keepers right here. So we're on Joey Slam's boat with his dad. We got Catchem Bay over here. Catchem Bay, you want to look at this thing?
I was gonna get it.
Oh yeah. Look at the colors on this fish, guys.
Here, you good. Go ahead and throw some bait out there.
Wow.
Keep them around real quick.
That's crazy. Look at the colors on this fish.
What you got? Oh, green.
Oh my
wow.
God, the colors are
a pretty one.
absolutely insane.
There you go.
So anyway,
I'm gonna get you
what we're gonna
over
do
here,
is we're gonna throw this bad boy in the cooler. This is what you call a little sandwich, guys. Oh! Check these baits out, guys. Perfect.
Here you go, bro.
Now, we got our
live
livey
out there right now.
But let's lean it. Oh!
Fire it up. Here, that.
Yeah. Nice and crunched up.
Look at them. Okay. Oh, they're pulling up.
I
Check
want
it out. Check it out. Let's go over here.
Here, Dad.
Here, Selena. Ready?
Get ready. You're ready.
They're all
Close
right
your
behind us. Come on this way. There you go. Now leave it open. Let him eat. He's going right to it. There you go. He just ate it. Let him eat. Now close the bail and set the hook. Set the hook. Good job. Go over there. Go. Good job. He's jumping. Oh! Good job.
How?
Never die. There you go. There you go. Come here, babe. Oh, go. Flip. Go on that side.
Look,
There you go.
I did it.
Hold him up. Your first mahi.
There you go.
That's awesome. If you look straight down here, there's a ton of mahi. Look to the right. And look by ours. You see that one down there?
Right through the nose?
Check that out, that little guy.
Okay.
Hold on. Not quite.
Sorry, honey.
Not quite. Gotta make sure this fish is a little slowed down. Oh, that was a little too much, but it's okay. Go ahead and cast straight out.
Okay.
You just ate one. And you gotta keep your fish away from the motors. You see how this guy's trying to get in the motor? Look, check. Oh, the little one got it. It's okay. Oh, you got the bigger one. Good job. There you go. Oh, perfect. Oh, he's splashing me. Oh my gosh. Okay, good job. Now flip him in here. Flip him in the boat. You got it. Flip him in the boat. Ah, good job. Open the bail. He's beating me up. Open the bail. Yeah, look at the colors on that. It's 100 of them. Oh, look at him right here. Yeah. Right here. Oh, we got him. Oh, the fish. Okay, I got one right there. Now look at all of them. Oh, God. Oh, look at Joey. Oh, my gosh. There's decent ones. Go get hooked up. Go grab your rod like you did before.
Throw bait out immediately first.
Nice. All right,
So many.
Get that thing out of here, bro. Get that thing out of here. Check it out. Another giant school of them. A giant school of them. Guys, what we were able to do is I hooked this thing on the artificial. Check it out. He's hooked up. He's pretty good. But what we want to do.
A whole bunch of chummers. They're right behind the boat.
Oh! Look behind the boat. Oh, he just came off. No, that sucks. Look behind us, though. We just hooked into one.
AJ's a run.
Sweet.
Sorry.
It's okay. Selena?
So then you should get hooked up right now in a second.
There you go, girl. All by yourself. That's what we need. Oh, no!
The hook hit me.
It's okay.
Sorry.
Okay, check this out. Artificial. Artificial. Come here. Oh, come here, buddy.
We got one hooked solid right here.
You got one solid?
Yeah.
Your dad?
Oh, there's a
There's a good one right here. Oh, yeah. Oh!
It should be instant.
Guys.
Watch this. Look at this bait.
Oh, no!
Oh, spit it.
Okay, we don't want to lose anymore. Check this out. Oh! There you go. Now. Oh, there you go. Take your time.
Take your time.
Take your time. Wow. These are, guys, they're everywhere right now. Take your time.
Give
Give it a little bit more line. Okay, so guys, this thing did what it needed to do. I'm proud of that little lure. We're gonna get this thing out of the way. Oh, sheesh.
We can't lose all of them.
Wrong way.
It's okay, we're gonna figure it out.
Other way.
A jumper.
Yes, we are.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay, good.
He's huge.
Nice one.
Look at that.
That is a big one. Hold this.
Okay.
Now bring him close to the boat.
Okay.
Oh, he's got one. Get him in here. Take your time. You're doing great. That's a nice fish. Oh! Broke the line.
You took so long.
We were close, guys. We probably should have gaffed that one, or we could have netted him. But we're gonna catch another one. Look at him all right here. Feeding him. Pond pets. Oh, wow. Let's see if we can actually feed one at the boat. Hold on a second. Check this out. Open it up. Open the bail up.
Okay.
Look at that big one. Take that big one out. Come on, where's the big one? No, that one. Oh, that's the big one. Let me. That's the big one. Set the hook. Real. Tight. Real. Oh, no.
I got it still.
No, you didn't. There's 100 other ones. That's the big one. Oh, that's a solid one. Get that one in. Oh, what a jump. You're doing phenomenal. There you go. Bring him over towards me.
Oh.
That's good. You're good. That's perfect. Look at him. Here he goes. Coming this way.
I'm coming.
Perfect.
My
Just
arm.
lift it up. Just lift up the rod now. Don't let it hit the boat
right now, guys.
Don't let it hit the boat. Oh! There you go. Oh! There you go, Joey. Over.
Look at that.
He's a jumper. Okay, this is what I call flip or die. Ready?
Flip or die.
Open the bail. Do not break the rod. That's a good one.
Open the bail.
Open the bail.
I'm opening it.
Thank you. There's fish coming in left. There we go. Got some freebies. I'm gonna make these things go crazy right now. Check this out. Look at him. Gotta get him going nuts. Look at him right here. Oh, forget that. Look at this. That's how you get them chummed up, guys. And we gotta keep them right by the boat. Look at this. Oh my God. Get him going crazy. picking and choosing the biggest ones out of here. 40-pound test, I don't need to retie. Just heavy enough. It's the perfect leader size for most of these fish. I usually go 30 if they're acting picky. Look at this, look at this.
Wait, I'm there. Let me do it with you.
Hold on. Hold on. Okay, ready guys?
Watch this.
Here's Joey's. Joey just got a decent one. I think Joey's on 20 though. Oh, Joey got robbed. There's a decent one right over there. I'm gonna try to get this one. Look, check this out. Right on the surface for you guys. Oh, come on, buddy. Come on. Here he is, right here, ready? Oh, decent. Let him eat. And I'm teaching him a lesson. Oh, no. It's all right. Somebody else is gonna come. Check this out. It's right there. Boom. No, not you. Not you. Oh well. Meat is meat. We're gonna go ahead and tighten the drag and drag this bad boy in. Bass tournaments, guys. Bass Master Classic. Good job, guys. As you guys can see, we are stacking up on Mahi right now. She just flipped that one. Flipped her. Look. There you go. Not bad there, girlie. That's a submarine. Mom's over here wearing a helmet because she's afraid of up above the coconuts. Yeah, the coconuts. Anyway, this is our last Mahi, and I wanted to show you guys this. I figured I'd show you guys a little trick. I cut this line right over here above the belly, right here, and I'm just cutting through the skin. Now, I'm cutting right here as well. Right down that spine, just like you would. You're filleting it regularly. But with Mahi, a good trick is that you can get the skin off so easily with this fish. So check this out. Come from like above up here. Yeah, now you guys can see it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the outline of the fillet. So either way, doesn't matter where you cut as long as it's a sharp knife. But check that out. That's pretty much your fillet, right? Because all the guts and intestine, all that nasty stuff is down in there, all the bile. I cut around all the flesh. Now, if you get a pliers or a tool like this, you can go ahead and grab the skin and peel it right off. And it's super easy. And all that meat stays in one piece. And then you're gonna fillet the fish just like any normal fish. Look at that. That's amazing. Boom. Nice and quick and easy. Boom, one way, and boom, the other way. And check that out, guys. 2 seconds, I am done. I actually got in there a little bit deeper than I would want to, but boom, just like that. This little piece goes to Mr. Paku behind me. That was a really bad throw, but just like that. Filet-O-Fish, nice and clean. Now, we're gonna go ahead and throw some Danos on it. Our Mahi has been sitting in milk for a while, guys. It's been 24 hours since we caught these Mahi. We filleted them yesterday, and the Mahi has been sitting in milk. Delicioso. Yes, it is. I'm just draining it. That's all fish milk. No one likes fish milk. A lot of people put on their lemon a little bit later, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it now with the fish milk. A little bit of that, just a little splash. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the key to all seasonings, which I've showed you 100 times my whole life. I love this stuff. I love this stuff, and I have never been sponsored by it, but I love it. And now, they're starting to hook up the channel because we literally have, I don't know how many times we've showed this on the channel, but I love this stuff, and they love us now because they keep seeing it on the channel, and people are talking about it. So Danos, you're the manos. This stuff smells so good. Check this out. Put on everything. Trigger figure. Look at that. Oh yeah. Trigger figure, baby. Trigger figure. Danos, you're the best. It's like a little sodium, whatever. My mom complains about that stuff, and that's why I got it. So check that out. Lemon and Danos. Gonna mix it around. That smells good. Smells good already. It's literally fish and milk. Thank you, Miss Danos. But anyway, trigger figure now with the Danos. We're gonna put a ton of it in here. All right. See all that? Ton of it. Pew, pew, pew. That stuff is amazing. And also, when you're cooking it, the milk kind of pacifies all the spiciness. If you don't want like spiciness flowing up through your house, it's a good way to throw it in without getting it up your nose and making you sneeze a lot. So this stuff is amazing. But just like anything else, pepper, it's gonna make you sneeze. It's so good. It's so good. Hey. Okay, I'm good. Olive oil and butter. A lot of people use one or the other. I'm using both. See if it's hot. Oh, yes. Boom. Butter and olive oil. I know a lot of people are like, what are you doing? Butter and olive oil, then that. Trust me. Now, Danos, milk, butter, olive oil. Look at that meat. Beautiful, beautiful mahi. Oh my God. Gorgeous. Just gonna throw it all in the pan, same time. A lot of people cut it up smaller. No big deal. Whatever you like. Just gonna throw it all in there. Wow. That is some healthy looking mahi, fresh from the ocean. Does not get fresher than that. Mahi, unlike other fish, is really, really thick. It's almost like a chicken in texture. Just gonna give that a minute. You see what we did there? All that butter, everything is just coming to a nice little simmer right there. That's gonna be amazing. Oh my gosh. My goodness gracious, look at that. Marinating this stuff in whole milk actually takes any type of fishiness out of the fish. You can use this on any fish and it will make that fish amazing. Like even like really fishy tasting fish. So use whole milk to keep your fish in. It's a really great idea. Freshwater, saltwater, anything. Even though mahi is not fishy at all, it's great. I still like to marinate everything in milk for at least a day, 24 hours. It takes everything out of that fish and it makes it amazing. And this meal is going to be phenomenal. And how beautiful a fish going inside my belly and swimming in the ocean. So that's pretty much done. A couple minutes on each side. I'm gonna go ahead and hit it one more time with Danos, just a little sprinkle. A little sprinkle. Maybe a little bit of popping. I wanna take a little step back. Look at that. Look at that fish. That is outstanding. Look at that falling apart. Falling apart. Here are all the ingredients that you need. Boom, 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 and you are done. This is so good. All right, ready? Gonna go ahead and try this little piece right here. I'm telling you, this is the best. It's been a long time since I've been mahi fishing to do this too. Oh my God. This fish has more of a consistency like chicken than it does fish. It's so thick and so good. I'm telling you guys, if you do not try this, I don't know what to tell you. If you're gonna go mahi fishing and you don't try this, you're missing out. Danos. This is I started using this on just breakfast foods because my breakfast foods would be like oily or whatever. And I throw this on, I didn't want the extra salt in the morning. And I just kept using it instead of using all that salt. And it spices everything up. Like the dry sandwiches and stuff I had in the frozen food department, everything was good. And now using this stuff on all like fish and like iguanas and stuff, it's like, it's been ridiculous. Because I know you can put this on anything and you can't over season it. That's the thing. So I'm trying all these different things with this seasoning and it's been so good. And this is outstanding. Like, this is outstanding. I think it's been a year since I've tried it with mahi, and honestly, it makes me even want to just go offshore again. Even though we ended up catching 20 mahi, so I have enough fish for the rest of my life. Guys, this has been absolutely amazing. You could always throw some more Danos on this if you wanted to, if it wasn't spicy enough for you, or you wanted seasoned up even more. But this is perfect, honestly. I'm sorry. Catch them in the next episode, guys, and catch them all.
Catch them up!